Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time I'm going to be talking about my worst luxury investment. So yeah, stay tuned to see what that is. Alright, so the item I am talking about is in this dust bag, and let me just show you what it is. It is this bag, which is the Louis Vuitton docLUXURY in the Neptune leather. So, to be honest with you, any men's bag is not an investment. And I've had to learn that the hard way because most of my men's bags, nobody wants them. They're the hardest things to sell. And now that I have moved on to, you know, my interest has moved on into, you know, Chanel. I just can't get rid of, or I don't want to say get rid of, but you know, I can't sell a lot of my men's bags, and likely that's because, you know, most of the people that are into luxury items are women, and yeah, just men could care less to be buying expensive bags. But anyway, so this is what I would consider my worst luxury purchase, because I did purchase this retail, and I purchased it at the time it was $2,600, and that is before tax. Could you believe it? So that it is an all leather bag. It is a very beautiful color, but yeah, it just does not hold up its value very well. Probably also because it is a very loud color. You know, a lot more people are more interested in, I'll just leave this right here. A lot more people are interested in darker colors, usually blacks and browns. And you know, most of Louis Vuitton is black and brown. And of course there's the azure print, which is more of a cream color. But yeah, unfortunately this one is blue. And I say that this is my worst luxury investment because I have seen, and I do currently have, am following a listing on fashionphile, and it is not in this color, but it is basically a new bag that is in this leather. It's in a yellow, and that one is currently being sold for like, I think $900, or like a little under $1,000, which is almost a third of the cost of the bag at retail. I mean, regardless, I think it's a very pretty bag, and if I were to consider something in my collection forever, this probably would be one of them. Primarily, and I'll probably get into this if I do make a video like that, is because I just don't want to lose that much money if I were to try to sell this bag. So let me just get into this bag a little bit. So if someone out there is interested in buying it for a half decent price, I would definitely entertain any offers, but I currently do not have it for sale. So I always stuff my items, and you can see, with a ton of air paper. And so it comes with the luggage strap, and one of my pet peeves for, you know, luggage straps, I mean, well, any bag strap, is that they use seat belt material, and that's, you know, a dumbed down, I guess, best thing I can call this is basically seatbelt material. And if you use this a lot, you know, on your shoulder and it rubs against your clothing, it's bound to start pilling, and there's not a lot you can do with when, you know, the strap starts to pill. So on the inside of the bag, let's see, you can see it's lined in a very beautiful cobalt blue, or in this case this is Neptune. It's in the same color on the inside it is on the outside. There is 2 slip pockets, or there's actually 4 on one side. There is 2 rooms for pens, and on the other side it is just one large pocket. And other than that, it's just one large blue hole. And as you guys saw when I showed you guys the bag, I also have with it the luggage tag, which did not come with the bag, but my SA at the time, he was able to find me one, and this actually came on the keep all version of this bag, and this one also, he was able to find that for me as well. And it was actually very nice of him because he gave these to me for free. So that was very nice. And I also have this luggage, I don't know what you can call this, but this is like a luggage tag, whatever you call it, clip. And so I have that as well. It doesn't exactly match the hardware, which is a darker gray matte material. And so if I were to sell this bag, I definitely would keep the luggage tag because it already has my initials hot stamped on it. And I would keep this also because you can see I have that hot stamped with an R, which is the first initial of my first name. But yeah, I've also seldomly used this bag just because it is very delicate. And I could already see that there is a little, I think that's just from the, you know, storing it in my closet. There's a little indentation right there. But, and one thing I don't like about this bag, as you can see, is that, and I've said this in all of my videos where I do feature this bag, is that it has this little divot right here. After storing it on, you know, a flat surface like this, it'll eventually start caving in like that. And so how I store it now is basically I store it flat like that. And I should be more careful to not store it on this side, which has the luggage tag on it. And in fact, let me just take it off and I'll store it inside of the bag. But yeah, for this video I just wanted to share with you guys what I consider my worst luxury investments. I mean, I don't think people should go into buying luxury for investment purposes because you'll be let down very harshly. A lot of these luxury items don't hold their resale value. The ones that do are the classic pieces, mainly sort of like Chanel jumbos and things like that, because those continually have price increases. But this one was only around for a limited time, and yeah, nobody really wants it. So yeah, I'd be interested to know what you guys think is your worst luxury investment. Just leave them down below, and hopefully, you know, people also do this. I don't want to call this a tag video, but if you're interested in making your own video that talks about your worst luxury investment, I'd like to know that as well. But yeah, even this is just a beautiful bag. When I saw that price on Fashionphile for that other one in new condition, my jaw just dropped. I mean, so they do say that the estimated retail is like $1,600, which I know it's not because this one cost $2,600, and that's probably why they priced it the way that they did. I know there is also one on Yugi's Closet that is priced at $1,400. But still, that is like over $1,000 less than what I paid for this. And I know, even if this were never used, you know, I would not be able to recoup the price that I paid for it. And now I'd be lucky if I were to get, you know, half the price that I paid for this. But yeah, that's, I guess, all I really wanted to say with this video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.